How to recover Valorant account without email. So this is a very easy tutorial. You just have to go to recover your account, Valorant. This is what it looks like. You just have to scroll down till you see account recovery and then tap this begin your account recovery. And you can see here you just have to provide the following details. As you can see, please provide at least one of the following. So you can type your username here, Riot ID. You can just simply skip to this. And then we have here extra details. These extra questions are optional, but will help us recover your account. So it's optional, but it's a good way also, a good thing to answer this because it will help you resolve your case immediately. So date of birth, okay, you just have to enter date of birth here. And then once you're done with this, with the details and extra details, all you have to do is to click next. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes it's not successful, maybe because of, I mean, many people have used your username or there's something wrong with the birth date or other information here. But don't worry, all you have to do is to simply click submit a ticket if you encounter a situation like this or errors like this. Okay, so you just have to look for submit a ticket. Now, once you tap this submit a ticket, you also need to provide some information, but it's not that really personal. You just have to tell them or give them the information they needed. So for choose a request type, recover my account, your email address, you just have to provide region. Okay, so let's just say you're from Vietnam. How did you lose your access to your account? It was hacked or compromised. Log in your username. Okay, so your username is very important. What is your summoner? Okay, you just have to answer this one also. But I think you need to really know everything about your account. Okay, so what email would you like to recover to do? So you just have to type your email address here. Also, date of birth. It should be matched with your account on League of Legends. Okay, provide your date of birth. And then if there are some questions here that you are not sure or you forgot, you could just simply say, I'm not sure, I forgot, something like that. Like this one. Last time you had access to the account, so you're not sure who made this account. Of course, myself. List all possible emails associated with the account. You just have to enter your email address. Okay. List all emails associated with the account that you have access to. So you can also type your email address here. Okay, actually, you just have to enter the information. But take note that if the question doesn't have, red asterisk here, that means it's optional. Okay, you are not forced to answer that. Okay, so location where the country was created, you can type your country here, of course. Has anyone else ever played an account, including friends and family? No one. Okay, so do you have an idea how you lost access to this account? You can also say, I don't have an idea. I'm so sorry about that. You can answer no. League of Legends here. Subject, description, everything is up to you. So you just have to answer all of this here. And then once done, all you have to do is to click submit. You can even add file or draw files here as a proof and then click submit and wait for the customer service team to help you with this issue. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.